Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to update your profile including your height, weight and other information on the JustFit application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Then tap on the progress button down below on the right side corner of the screen and click on this menu icon in the upper right corner next to the feedback button. Here go to the my profile section, and first of all you should set your height on this slide on the left side of the screen. Then click on the save button down below. You can set your starting height on this slide again and then click on save. And you should also set your target weight. Click on the save button and then your profile will be updated. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.